Hey food lovers! Today we're making a super healthy and crazy delicious stuffed potato you're gonna love. No guilt, just flavor. If you're into easy, tasty recipes, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more every week. Chop up those bell peppers nice and small. The smaller, the better for that perfect bite. Now it's mushroom time. Go ahead and slice them up nice and small just like the peppers. Peel those potatoes and make sure to go with the big ones. Now, just like you see here, we're scooping out the insides to make room for all that tasty stuffing. Boil the potatoes in hot water for a few minutes. This helps them cook through and makes them crispier in the oven. With a little olive oil, saute the chopped bell peppers, mushrooms, a bit of crushed garlic, cooked red beans, and a spoonful of tomato paste or puree. This filling is packed with protein and so full of flavor. Brush the potatoes with a little olive oil, then pop them in the oven at 180°C350F for about 40 minutes, just until they're perfectly cooked and golden. Next, fill up those potatoes with the stuffing. You can totally add some Parmesan cheese on top if you like. I didn't, but it's a tasty option. Then pop them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now go ahead and decorate it with any fresh veggies you've got on hand. Get creative with it. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. See you in the next one, and hey, keep it crispy.